Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi 11T and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to select Bluetooth and click on the switcher to activate it. Wait for available devices to show up and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now you need to wait a bit and choose pair in the pop-up. Then wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!